Hey y'all, I'm Nyiah and welcome to my channel, to the Lou to the Lie. Yes, y'all see the red, y'all digging her, y'all feeling her. I'm feeling myself kinda. I got my red in my head. These my crimpers. And I just went ahead and did the other side off the camera because we don't want this video to be real long. And this hair is from Cheetah Beauty. It's actually 5 bundles of 28. I did a video on my wig reconstruction, so y'all can go look at that video on my channel as well, where I just replaced the frontal, added the rest of my hair in, because at first I had like 4 bundles and a piece of a fifth, but I just went on and added all 5 bundles in it. I re-dyed it, all of that, and now we just crimping it today. Like, spray your little got to be on there so these waves can hold up. Brush it out, all that. Then you just crimp, just hold it. And y'all, when I tell y'all crimps hurt, like, oh my gosh. And you see how I'm doing it? Like, you want to hold it, you want to go down a little bit, and then you want to do it again. And like, that's what you're doing your whole entire head. It's not like curling hair or flat ironing hair. Like, crimping hair takes time, okay? And this is what you want to do. You just want to crimp, hold it, let it go, then go down a little bit. But you want to make sure that you don't go down too far, and you want to make sure that you don't stay up too high. Like, you have to go down the perfect amount so that you don't have little itty bitty waves in your head, like in between the crimps from when you overlap them. Like, you don't want to overlap them. So yeah. And I also just want to let y'all know, if I haven't said it already, crimps hurt. Like, your hand is gonna be hurting after you do some crimps, okay? But they're gonna be real cute, so it's worth it, okay? But y'all, just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notification bells on. Because you ain't got nothing else to do, so you might as well watch. Or do you have something else to do and you just saying you don't want to watch? Or you make an excuse that's why you don't want to watch? I thought so. I thought somebody wanted to give it up. But yeah, don't forget to add me on Snapchat, Instagram, not Facebook, and Twitter. But on Twitter, you have to let me know if you follow me, because I don't always get my notifications on Twitter when people follow me. And if you want me to follow you back, just go ahead and send me a quick message and I will follow you back. Easy peasy. Bada bing, bada boom. But yeah, y'all, just stay tuned for this video. Like it, let me know in the comments if you like it and if you like my personality, because I'm not boring. Hey. Y'all, coronavirus. And y'all, I also needed to add that these waivers, they are before bed head. I'm going to have the link in the description box. Y'all know the dumb way I always put the links, because y'all want this stuff too, just like how I want it. But y'all, this is my first time using crimpers, and these, y'all, they got so hot so fast. The only thing is that after a certain amount of time, they automatically shut off. And I know, like, it came a point where I was using them and they were shut off. And I think I left it in the video, but you're gonna see, like, I look at them like, what the world? And then I realized they were off because they have automatic shut off, which is smart because, like, you know, sometimes those girls, we get ready and then we run out the door, and next thing you know, we done forgot that we left our flat irons at home and they on, and they turned all the way up, so the sink about to be burnt. So yeah, y'all, they got really, really hot. And, like, as y'all continue to watch this video, y'all gonna see me do my little handshake because it's real hot up in there, okay? You know, it's real, real hot, okay? All right? So y'all, I just went on and skipped all the other part because I still don't want this video to be too long. So I just went to the last top 2. And I also forgot to mention, you want to part your hair in like medium sections. Like you don't want to do them too thin, but you don't want them too thick either, because don't get me wrong, they get real hot. But it's like, if you want it to look really deep and beautiful, you need to do it in medium sections. Like don't take a huge chunk and do it. Like don't use real small sections, because you are going to kill your hand. Okay, so we just finished it up right here. You know, we just did the last 2, you know, a little 1 2 3 crimp, hold, let go, little 1 2 3 crimp, hold, let go. And yeah, also forgot to mention that this is 5 bundles of Brazilian straight, 5 complete whole bundles, dyed with a 13x6 frontal. It's actually from 2 different companies. The hair itself is from Cheetah Beauty, and then the frontal is from Bliss Hair. It's a 13x6 frontal, y'all. It bleached well. It was an amazing frontal. So of course y'all know I'm gonna have the stuff in the bio, so yeah, just check the bio for all of the details. Okay, y'all, this is the finished results. Y'all line, you know, real red, real cute, real crimp. I was feeling myself. Yes, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And y'all don't have to comb it out if you don't want to. I just chose to comb mine out. But if you have thinner hair, I wouldn't say don't comb it out, because it'll look better clumped. But for my hair to be so thick, and even when I combed it out, it gave it a little frizz, but it's all right. I still was satisfied with the finished results. And I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you can go ahead and be notified whenever I post a video. Yeah, I lost some of my footage. I had to get my phone reset. So that's why, you know, I wanted to be consistent. Then I lost my footage. So yeah, but we back in this thing. You know what I'm saying? Feeling myself, yeah.